The Realme C75 is here, an affordable smartphone that stands out for its durability, performance, and incredible features. Today, we'll explore all the specifications and see if this is the ideal phone for you. Let's dive in. Starting with the design, the Realme C75 is just 7.99 millimeters thick and weighs 196 grams. Available in Storm Night Black and Lightning Gold, it's both stylish and durable. Its IP69 certification and MIL STD810H durability ensure protection against dust, water, and even harsh conditions, all without the typical bulk of rugged phones. The display is a highlight. Featuring a 6.72-inch IPS LCD panel with FHD plus resolution of 1800 by 2400 pixels, it offers excellent image quality. The 90 Hz refresh rate and maximum brightness of 690 nits make for a smooth and pleasant visual experience, even outdoors. The Realme C75 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G92 Max processor, perfect for daily tasks and even light gaming. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, expandable to 16 GB, and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB with a dedicated microSD slot. The cameras are impressive for this price range. On the rear, there's a 50-megapixel main sensor, complemented by features like HDR and panorama. It records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The 8-megapixel front camera is great for selfies and video calls. The 6,000 mAh battery is massive and supports 45-watt fast charging as well as reverse charging. This means you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices, perfect for those who need long-lasting battery life every day. The Realme C75 runs Android 14 with the Realme UI 5.0 interface, offering a smooth and personalized experience. It supports dual SIM, Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi 5, ensuring reliable connectivity in any situation. The C75 also comes with armor shell glass for better protection against drops and scratches, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and advanced sensors like an accelerometer and gyroscope. So, what's the verdict on this phone? If you're looking for an entry-level phone with great value for money, it's an excellent choice. Priced between $175 and $285. The Realme C75 delivers an impressive set of features, combining durability, performance, and long battery life. It's a fantastic option for anyone seeking value at the start of 2025. Did you like the Realme C75? Once it's available, the purchase links will be in the description. And before you go, don't forget to join our exclusive xTech Deals channel on WhatsApp. There, you'll find amazing offers, incredible coupons, and protection against scams. All the links are in the description. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews like this one. See you in the next video.